How to change age in Instagram. So if you would like to change your age in Instagram, it is actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to open up the Instagram application, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Just tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen, and once you tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side. Once you tap on the three lines option, you'll see a couple of options right here. But what we want to do is right from our profile page, we will go to edit profile. Once we go to edit profile here, you can see a couple of options, but right now there is no option to change the date of birth. So what we will do is we'll just go to this personal information settings option from the bottom, and over here you can see a couple of options, and here you can see your birthday. So to change our age, we have to change our birthday. So tap on the edit button and just select the year to maybe a year or two older, whatever else you want, and just tap the save option, and then your birthday and your age will be successfully changed. This way you'll be able to change your age and birthday over here. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.